Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change like the frames per second on your phone. For that you want to go to your settings and then go to display and scroll down to display refresh rate. And as you can see right now it's set to auto, but you can also set it to 60, which is, as you can see, ideal for extended battery life. A higher display refresh rate allows for smoother viewing but drains the battery faster. So that's a little side note here. So right now it's set to auto, but if you want to like have a longer battery life, you can set it to 60. I actually think you can't really see a difference. We're gonna set it back to auto. I don't know. Maybe you guys see a difference. Right now I don't really see a difference. You can like change it as you like and put the things on that you like want. So yeah, that's how you like customize the frames per second. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.